Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
I know you're somewhere.
This weekend I wanted to do another weekend in my life in New York City, of course, but today I wanted to start the vlog because I'm about to do something really exciting and I'm heading to NoHo, to this really cool store where basically you like make your own perfume, and I don't really know how to explain it that well, but I'm gonna just bring you guys along and show you guys the perfume I'm making and the whole process, and it's gonna be really fun. So that's what I'm doing now, and I also have Darko here. I'm watching Darko for the week because I missed him so much. So I'm gonna just leave Darko here while I'm going to do this perfume thing, but I'm really scared because I've never left him alone in my apartment. But hopefully he'll be okay. So I'm just gonna go for probably like an hour and then I'll be back. But I'm going to get changed quickly. It's super nice in New York. It's like probably 60 degrees. It's honestly pretty hot out. So I'm just gonna wear this all stained shirt and then maybe like a hoodie or something over. But I'm gonna bike ride there and I'll show you guys once I get there. Right, I just got my scent and it smells so good, and that was such a fun little process, and I think it would be the perfect gift for like a loved one or a friend or something to make a personal scent that you think they would like. Mine smells so good and I named it Beth, of course, and yeah, it was just so fun. So now I'm gonna head back home, get a little bit of work done, and then maybe get dinner or something later. But hopefully Darko's okay. I'm excited to see him and I miss him already. But yeah, I'm gonna head home now. I'm taking Darko on a walk. Just New York City things. They're shooting a movie right here and they've been shooting this for days. Anyways, I asked what the show was and they're not allowed to disclose it, so we'll just have to see what it is when it comes out. But look, they have like all the production equipment here and everything. Good morning vlog. Right now I'm headed to F45 to work out, and then we're gonna be going to Brooklyn, but I'm trying fit of the day. It's freezing out. I'm trying a new workout because I haven't really liked just going to the gym, so I haven't had a really good workout since Boca, so hopefully I like this, but I'll show you guys what it's like when I get there. Never tried it before, but I've heard great things, so we will see how it is. All right, I just did my morning workout and now we just got dressed and are headed to Brooklyn to just walk around and maybe get some lunch and see what Brooklyn beholds for us, because we haven't been there in a while and I don't think Becca's ever been there. So it's gonna be a fun day. We got some lunch. We got new miso, of course. Miso soup, my favorite rolls. Becca got, what is it, a bao bun? Becca got a meat vegetable bun.
You should definitely know the proper terminology.
How is it?
It's good. I prefer the rice paper dumpling. But this was my only option. I'm definitely not.
Good morning vlog. Becca and I are currently on our way to Tompkins Square Bagels to get some breakfast, of course, and we have Darko, so we're taking him on a little walk. It's so nice out today, completely blue skies, it's sunny and there's no clouds, but it is a little bit chilly. I think it's like 45 degrees, but it's kind of nice. So we're gonna, honestly don't know what our plan is today, but we're getting breakfast now. All right, change of plans because the line at Tompkins was too long. We're at the Ukrainian church and we're gonna have some authentic Ukrainian food. Look at this food. We got borscht, vareniki, stuffed cabbage, and Becca got coffee. But look how good that looks. Are you excited?
It smells so good.
All right, Becca is trying the authentic Ukrainian / Russian
I have a
food.
decision to make before.
What?
Do we think it's a one bite sort of deal, or can you kind of do that? I want to do it the proper way.
Really good? Thank you so much. So good. Alright guys, so I'm making a TikTok apartment tour and just wanted to show you guys on YouTube as well what you can get in New York City for $3,200 a month. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment in the East Village, and the location of this building is really nice. And the building itself is also pretty nice, but I'm going to show you guys what this apartment looks like if you are moving to New York City or just want to know what you can get in New York City for this price range. All right, so when you walk in, this is what it looks like. And the kitchen area is honestly really nice for New York. There's all stainless steel appliances, and you have this middle area as well where you could set up like bar stools and stuff. And then of course there's a laundry machine, washer and dryer in one, and a dishwasher, which is great. And the kitchen is honestly one of my favorite parts about the apartment. Let me show you from this angle. It's pretty nice. And then on this side, you have the living room, which is a decent amount of space, but also what I really like is that there's a skylight right there. So right now it's super sunny, as you can see, and you get a ton of light pouring in from the top area, just from the skylight. And then you walk over here, this is the bathroom. And you can see there's a shower, everything's newly updated. There's me. And then you walk back, and I'll show you guys quickly the rooms. So there's a good amount of space. You have this hallway area, and then this is the first bedroom. So this one is definitely the smaller out of the two, but not too small. And you do have closet space here as well, and a window, of course, definitely necessary for a New York apartment. And then you go to the next room, and this is what it looks like. And this one gets a lot more light. I love, love, love the exposed brick. I think that's just something that's really pretty in a lot of New York apartments. You have windows here. So you have one big one here and then one here as well. And you can see just like the middle area. And yeah, this one has a closet too, of course. And then I think there's like more storage here if you want to put your coats or something. But yeah, this is the apartment. All right, someone came into the apartment. I guess it was a broker showing it, so I had to get out. But this is the building, and it's a super cute little building. It's on 1st Ave and 4th Street, and this is what it looks like. And also the area is really cute as well. There's like a bunch of restaurants and stuff on that side. So it's now later in the day, and I didn't do too much today. I just did the apartment tour. We got breakfast earlier, and now I'm taking Darko on his evening walk. So I might grab something to eat on the way back. I'm not sure yet because I don't really have too much food here. But I'm gonna head out with Darko, and then I'm gonna be going out later, I think, with some friends. So that's the plan for tonight. Dinner! This is what I got. I got these flat noodles, cauliflower, and it has this amazing sauce on it. It's like called gochujang, I think it's pronounced. And then corn dumplings with truffle. So good. My dinner from Okia was so delicious, and I ate almost all of it. But I just wanted to show you guys because I got a delivery from Pink Agua. I wanted to show you guys what I got. Oh my gosh. Here, let me show you from this angle. So we got Pink Agua. Open it, and we have Red Bull Agua, Pink Agua water, and it's rosé, and I'm so excited to try this. I've heard great things, and yeah, I'm really pumped.